going on, guys? Welcome back today for another video. I just want to go over what's going on. I want you guys to know it's not just going to be like Subaru stuff from here on out. I do plan on a lot of stuff for the Jeep, but the Jeep's actually on hold right now, which is why it's been a bunch of Subaru content. And plus I got to get this thing ready. I'm just taking this piece of wood out. So I have to get this thing where I want it because it is my daily driver. So that's why it's been mostly Subaru content, but just know that with a new daily driver, we can get really crazy with the Jeep, which is living in the garage from here on out. The Subaru, I have come a long way. It is finally on the road. I don't know if it was on the road the last video or not, but I'm gonna go around and tell you guys what I've done, and then we'll talk about the Jeep, future plans with that, because I do have a lot of stuff in store for the Jeep. And once this car's ready to go and the way I want it, it's going to be all Jeep content from here on out, at least until I buy another like race car, like Mustang wise, and then I start building that, and it's going to be a lot of Mustang content, but that's in the future. So let me switch to the front camera, go over what I've done to this car so far and where I want to be with this car, so you guys know the content that's going to be coming up. Like I said, I want to finish the Subaru first, so let me go around the car, tell you guys what's going on, and then we'll talk a little bit about the Jeep. It's just going to be a quick video. It's going to be, just mainly talking, not really any working on anything or anything like that. So let me go around the car and tell you what's going on. Guys, so this is my 2009 Subaru Impreza. As you can see, I put my tags on here. I have them on the Jeep also on the right hand side, this is on the left hand side. So that has tags. I switched most of the lights over to LED minus the turn signals. It does have LED license plate lights, does have LED reverse lights. The tail lights are stock LED, third brake light stock LED. Eventually I'm going to change these tail lights out for sequentials that blink like the Mustangs do, which is pretty cool. We do have a backup camera. We have a sub capacitor and an amp in there. It's getting window tint tomorrow, so it's going to be 5% all around, and then 5% brow in the front, but I'm probably going to do the brow pretty low. It has name finally, like the Jeep has Frankenstein there, same thing here, but this is Scooby. All the lights in the front are LED besides the turn signals. The turn signals I'm going to do switchbacks, which are LED. I just haven't bought them yet. And I want to change this grille. I want to get rid of all the chrome, so I want to change this grille out for a like carbon fiber looking one. The bumpers on this car are actually messed up right here, and the back's also messed up. I'll walk around and show you that. So we're probably going to wind up doing a WRX front bumper, WRX rear bumper. I'll probably do the WRX side skirts with it, and a WRX hood and a WRX wing. So I'll have to get all those painted. Previous owner stuck some tape on here. I was trying to get it off, but as you can tell, it's not off. You can still see where it was, so I'll probably wind up getting the fender resprayed. I'm very picky with my stuff, so I want it to be as close to perfect as possible. I'm not going to worry about this dent back here or anything like that, but it has the Eon 10.1 touchscreen tablet radio. I want to do interior speakers. I want to amp the interior speakers. I want to do wheels, tires, coilovers. I want to upgrade the brakes. I'm just not sure with what yet. Maybe WRX brakes, maybe not. Maybe just a power stop kit. This is the wing I was talking about. I want to swap this out for a WRX one, which is just a little bit bigger. I also want to do a shark fin antenna because I don't like this when it's standing up. It looks pretty goofy. Just don't like it. So we'll do that. And probably maybe an exhaust and an intake because the inside of the resonator's rattling. So I'll probably wind up doing a catback and intake. But like I said, we're not going crazy with this. Also, they make a carbon fiber overlay for this chrome piece back here, which I want to get rid of. And as you can see, the back bumper is a little bit screwed up right there. So it's not as bad as the front, but it's definitely screwed up. So that's really all I want to do to this thing. It's like I said, it's a daily driver. I don't want to go crazy with it. I mean, maybe we could do WRX seats if I could find them for a good deal. If anybody knows anybody with WRX seats for a good deal, let me know. And that's pretty much all I want to do to this thing. I want to do fog lights too, because it doesn't have factory fog lights, but little stuff. So that concludes this thing. And this over here, it's just been sitting. I actually used it to tow a lawnmower yesterday, but this thing I want to get a little crazy with. So I do still need to do the gears in the front diff. I also want to redo the lift on this because it is making a ton of noise. I want to swap these taillights out. And to be honest, I'm on the fence about maybe adding some more power to this thing. So I did find like an LS swap kit, which would be pretty badass to put in here. I'm not making any promises because I don't know if I'm gonna actually do it. It does have a brand new 4-liter in it. So maybe we'll wait for that to blow up, which we'd probably be waiting a while. But as you can see, it's still here. It's perfectly fine. It's the same exact way that it looked before. It has a new blower motor. That's all I've done since my last video with the Jeep. But there is going to be a lot of content coming up on this thing. So don't worry, it is coming. I just want to finish that first. I want to get that where I want it. So I didn't forget about this. And then we have my quad here. We don't really do much with this thing. I honestly don't ride it that much. I'm thinking about selling it just because, you know, then I could take this money and dump it into the cars rather than have a quad just sitting here doing nothing. There's nothing wrong with it. It starts right up. I have a whole jet kit for it and everything. If anybody's interested in it, let me know. But I mean, I'm not like looking to sell it, but if somebody comes and wants it, I'll definitely sell it for the right price. It is a Yamaha Blaster 200. It's 2002. So it's right before they switched to hydraulic brakes. So it has drum brakes. But they work fine. Everything works good on it. Light bar works. You know, everything's good. It does have mods too. It has like an intake, exhaust. It's got a couple mods on it. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know I didn't forget about the Jeep. We also are going to do sliders down here because the other side is rotted out. It's actually the only rust that this Jeep has. And yeah, so stay tuned for the Jeep. And for the next probably, I don't know, month, 2 months maybe, it's going to mostly be Subaru stuff. Unless I do get parts for the Jeep, which I may. But, you know, don't get discouraged with me because I know a lot of you guys are Jeep guys. And you're probably like, why is he posting all the Subaru stuff? Well, look, I need to finish the daily first. I need to get this car where I want it to be. And then we can move on to the toy. So just bear with me and, you know, keep watching my videos, keep liking them, share them, you know, comment. I love hearing from you guys. So definitely drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And yeah, so until next time, catch you in the next video. Peace.